All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, different cryptocurrency projects like Drip Network and Piston, all kinds of good stuff. Baked beans, we go over here on this channel. Well, today we're going to be talking about Akita Inu. Haven't done a video about Akita Inu in about 2 months, and a lot of people are asking about it. A lot of things are going on with Akita. We're going to go ding, ding, ding. Could be a discount buy. So we're going over to Akita Inu's website, check out their Twitter, do a little price prediction on them, everything that's going on with Akita Inu. Then we're going to go over to Piston Token, do a little thing in the middle about Piston Token. Today we're going to actually hydrate our Piston Token. So we're going to hydrate it, or I should say nitro. We're going to nitro our Piston Token. And then we're also going to talk about Whales. The world's richest non-exchange wallet has purchased 3,200 Bitcoins. Crazy stuff the last day or two. So Whales are gobbling up the Bitcoin as we speak. All right, this is going to be a good episode. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. These little projects like Piston Token, Baked Beans, Rudy Mine, all these little things are the little crypto projects that could hedge against your inflation and help you with making some extra money. Do all your own homework, of course. All right, let's head over to Akita Inu. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap 2922. Take a look. Akita Inu, ding, 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 down 17%. This could be a discount buy. Akita Inu down 3% for the day, 17% for the week. Clicking it. All right, over here to the right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 74.68. Down about 3% in the last 24 hours. Not too bad. But in the last 7 days, that's where we see this ding, ding, ding possible discount buy. So it's going down, and going down. All right, let's head over here at their Twitter account, Akita Inu Network, home of the believers of true community power. The Akita DAO coming soon. Do not miss it. All right, Akita Inu monthly tournament begins. They got some fun stuff going on, everybody. Each week, top 3 winners are announced, and they win $100 of Akita. At the end of the month, the first place winner will win $500. Fantastic, everybody. Second place winner would win $300 worth of Akita. To enter, click the link here. So you kind of click the link right here and you get started. It says Akita monthly tournament. Talks about when it starts, when it ends. Check out our website. Check out our CMC page. All kinds of good stuff. So you want to click it right there on the Twitter account. All right, how about this? Shut up and take our money. Take my money. We love to be listed with Huobi Global. So Akita Inu, they're trying to get listed with Huobi Global. You just gotta love it. Shut up and take my money. Akita Inu continues to increase the holders of an Avalanche and Ethereum. Always make sure you verify the contracts of Akita before you buy. So lots of good stuff going on. Updated roadmap pinned on the top of the Telegram channel. You can go to the Telegram and find out what's going on with Akita. All right, over at the website of Akita Inu. Here we go, Akita's network. You got the cutest little Akita Inu doggy right there ever. So what does it say about Akita? Akita's token is a cryptocurrency that started as a meme. Through the support of community, we have bridged to Avalanche for project governance. Empowered our community. So they're on Avalanche. They've been seen in Forbes, Invest, Hacker Noon. You got your latest news going on, 500 million in meme coins. Now what? Talking about that. How to buy. You can buy Akita Inu on Uniswap. Connect your wallet and swap ETH to Akita. Make sure you have adapt the price slippage and got enough ETH in your wallet for the fees of your wallet. You always got to have a little bit extra fees behind for the gas fees. Add liquidity. Would you like to add liquidity to the Uniswap pool? Click here to pair it up. Talks about the first time. If you're first time, it's got a little tutorial on how to do your MetaMask. I think a lot of people know how to do their MetaMask, but download your MetaMask, buy your Ethereum, transfer your Ethereum to MetaMask. Number 4, connect to Uniswap. Number 5, and you swap it. 6, add liquidity if you wish. So got that going on. Some frequently asked questions. What is Akita Inu? Well, Akita Inu is the ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, defined here. Originally a meme token without a team nor a project, acting as a dog and Shiba's smaller brother, now has a strong community of over 60,000 holders a dedicated team of community members and investors, and many community moderators to help federate the community. The goal of the team is to convert the Akita Inu coins from meme coins to real useful tokens in various use cases. We also have cross-chain things going on. What is the Akita Network? Akita Network is a community of and social experience of tokenomics. It has brought together like-minded people looking to invest in a common experience that are in action within a decentralized and anonymous social media platform. Akita visionaries and holders will access to vendors and organizations that have been chosen by its members and beneficiaries. All right, everybody. You got your Akita Inu today. All right, we're going to come back and do a price prediction in a little bit. But Akita Inu, now it's got a team. Now it's got a mission. Things are going up. It's a ding, ding, ding. Could be a good discount buy. I've had a lot of people look at my video from 2 months ago, so I haven't done one in a while. And a lot of people are asking about Akita. That's where we're bringing it to this channel again. We like to bring all kinds of coins and projects and things that are happening, just so you know. Now, again, you want to do your own research and your own homework. All right, we're going to go to Piston Token. We're going to hit the Nitro today. We're going to Nitro it. All right, everybody, Piston Token. Start your race. Piston Token started as a Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run on an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Rate dashboard app. All right, over here, the token's at about $11 right this second. Let's go ahead and click the race. So right here, Piston Race, earn 1% daily income until 365% of your investment is reached. Big thing, earn 1% daily income. So Frank's Crypto Corner, we're still loading up our pit crew. I put 50 tokens in here. This is to show you, doing this a little earlier than normal. But we got about $3 in here, so we're going to take the $3 and we're going to put it over here and see what happens here. So we're going to go ahead and hit the Nitro. Now you got to pay your gas fee. You hit confirm. All right, it's processing. It usually takes, there's about 0.26, and there's 0.41 over here. We're going to watch this 2.6 go over here. Again, showing the process of how this is working. Small project I'm doing on this one. I think I threw 50 tokens in. So, I mean, everybody's got to do what's comfortable for them. Do your own homework. Look at that, Nitro injected. And look at the engine going around and around and around. 0.2646 has been injected. Your Nitro has been successfully ejected, and now your car is accelerating to bring you more rewards at a faster rate. Oh, pretty cool, everybody. So we click it, and now the tokens over here went over here. So now I got 45.66. That was a small $3 deposit. I'm going to be gone for the rest of the day, but I didn't want to do this a little bit later. So, all right, Piston Token, round robin for your different people that are on your pit crew. My referral link I'll leave in the bottom. You got the white paper right here. We're going to click this for a second. The basics, the users deposit PSTN to add fuel into their gas tank. They receive 1% daily return for up to 365%. Hey, everybody, this is DeFi. This ain't Huntington Bank and Key Bank. This is DeFi. Very high risk, very high reward. 365% on your investment. Go to the bank and see if you can get that. That's why you want to do your own homework and make sure if you're investing $500 or $200 or whatever you're investing, $10,000, you're okay with losing it. I only have, I think, $600 or $700 in this project, and we're gonna have fun with it. Make our 1%. We're gonna Nitro. We're gonna do this. So I got a little bit. I don't even got. $500-$600. So do your own homework. Do your own thing. But again, bringing this to you. Key thing over here, Piston allows you to exit the race in the first 7 days. So in the first 7 days, can I exit the race? If something came up or you changed your mind, you can actually exit the race. So pretty good stuff there. Up here, I got 160 Piston tokens on the side. We're going to put some in as we go, and we'll see what happens. All right, everybody, that's another cryptocurrency project like the Drip Network. Everybody wishes they would have gotten the Drip Network last year when it started April 22nd. And a lot of people have done fantastic with the Drip Network. Now, will Piston do as good as Drip? Nobody knows. I don't know. Nobody knows. Will it be 10 times bigger than Drip? Will it be will not even be around in 3 months? Nobody knows. You have to do your own homework and stuff. Drip has been around for a year, and now we got these different projects popping up like the Drip Network. So Check it out and see what you think. All right, the next thing, a big whale chomping on 3,200 Bitcoin. But this is not like a exchange wallet buying it. This is a non-exchange wallet. What? I thought crypto was down. Whales are buying more than ever. Yeah, they are. Pay attention to the trends, what's going on. World's richest non-exchange wallet has purchased 3,241 Bitcoin in a day. There's the whale. Look at the whale chomping the Bitcoin up. Chomp, 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 chomp. All right, so a whopping 3,241 BTC has been gulped up by one of the richest non-exchange wallets whales in 24 hours. And just in, the world's richest non-exchange wallet has purchased 3,241 in Bitcoin, equaling 140 million in the last 24 hours. Holy cow, 140 million. It seems that the whales have started diving deep into the market as they've seen the mass accumulation of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And a few stacks of 120,000 BTH, an anonymous whale that holds more than 120,000 Bitcoins added. This whale owns over 120,000 Bitcoins, added 3,241 more to its stash. The whale currently is holding estimates slightly over 5.5 billion. So the 140 million is little peanut butter and jelly sandwiches compared to the big dinner of the 5.5 billion. The whale, which is the third richest compared to the whales managing on the crypto exchange Binance, acquired 289 Bitcoins initially and then added 2952 Bitcoins on April 5th. A freshly acquired Bitcoin is worth a little more than 145 million in total. So yeah, we got whales chomping up the Bitcoin in record numbers. This guy's got 5.5 billion in Bitcoin. This, we don't know who it is. 140 million on this purchase. That should say something for the market. If whales are chomping, remember what we do? We swim with the whales. We swim next to the whales. We ride on the whales, back and stuff like that. The key thing is whales have all kinds of education and resources and people working for them. So when they make moves, they didn't just wake up and say, let's buy some Bitcoin. They researched it. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Take your finger and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. All right, let's head back over to Akita Inu for a price prediction. All right, back over here at Akita. On the coin market cap, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 74.87. Our price prediction is 6 zeros and a 79.87. Make sure you do all your own homework. Do your own education on this stuff. Cryptocurrency goes up and goes down. I'm not a financial planner. We're just doing this for educational purposes, and we're all friends here. But Akita has definitely got some things going on. Check it out. And right there, Akita Inu 2921. All right, so we talked about Akita Inu. Check that out. A lot of good stuff. They got a team now. They got a mission. Things are going good. Piston race. Everybody wanted to get in the drip network when it came out. Well, actually, like 4 or 5 months later when it started doing real well. This could be the next drip. It may not be the next drip. I don't know. But the key thing is it's under 7 days. So bring in the Piston token to everybody. Why it's under 7 days. I got my baked beans link in there. You can learn about my cooked rice. I got a thing in the bottom about my cooked rice. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about baked beans and Piston token. Again, cryptocurrency projects. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today is Saturday. Have a fantastic day today.